Your RAM has been hijacked. You start your computer, you play a game, under 20 minutes, your system starts lagging, start misbehaving, start holding you back. There is particular settings that is hidden and nobody is talking about it. That is why your system is lagging and that is why your system is misbehaving. In less than 1 minute, guys, we're going to fix this as soon as possible. Come to the search bar, type in services. Click on this button. Once you click on this button, it brings to this interface. Now scroll down until you get to sysmail. Now on sysmail, click on, then right click on it, set property, then come to this button that says startup, then click on it and click on disable, then click on apply, click on OK. So that's all, guys. You've been able to disable the sysmail and these background settings eat up your RAM on your computer. With this, guys, your computer will start performing best and you'll be able to enjoy the game you play right away on your computer. That's all. If you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.